Hi teachers! I'm going to show you an example about how to teach a listening class for high school. In this case, I choose 3 stages. The first one is pre-activity. A preparation task is about to create a curiosity about the topic. For example, what's your guess? Give to students the topic of the listening, and then they get words from them. Students write also some pre-listening comprehension questions, and after they will see if their questions are answered. The second task is students listen an audio about a voicemail message. This is my topic. In this case, I use unknown authentic material because this audio is a tool that has been designed to help me in this process. In this stage, the students practice their listening skill. The second one is during activity. The first task is a worksheet. For example, choose the correct answer. This is an example. The second task is another worksheet. Put the actions in order, like this. In this stage, the students practice their writing and reading skills. For the last one, post-activity, I choose a discussion. In this stage, the teacher makes some questions related to the content for students to participate and practice their speaking skill. I also apply in this plan a macro skill, deductive teaching, because I help them to develop their top-down processing skills by encouraging them to use their knowledge of the topic to help them understand the content. For example, the sequence of events in order, listening to a conversation, or identify what is the audio about, like I did before. I also leave you a link for learnenglish.britishcouncil.org. This is an amazing tool in which you can find some activities for your classroom. I hope this class plan helped you in some way. Thank you for watching and for your attention. Bye.